So, using this problem and this formula, y of t equals yo plus vo y of t plus 1/2 of at squared gives us, plugging in these values, y of t. We don't know y of o quite yet. We're not going to plug that in. The initial velocity is 0 plus 1/2. We know the acceleration is 10 meters per second squared t squared. So if t is 0, that's where it starts off. We have yo equals, -5. Because since it's gravity, it's -10. -5 meters per second squared with t squared. So then we have yo equals 5 meters per second squared t2. This is to isolate it. Now, what we're going to say about t2 is our first t2 is 5 seconds. So yo equals 5 times 5 squared, which gives us 125 meters is the depth of that pit. Now, moving on to the second part, we can just use that same formula, yo equals 5 meters per second squared t squared. Because remember, this is the time that's different. We'll call this y prime 1. So the second t is 10 seconds. So y prime of 1 equals 5 meters per second squared times 10 squared. So if we do this, it's 100 times 5, which equals 500 meters, and 125 times 4 gives us 500. So that means that the second pit is 4 times deeper.